step into the Buick 2017 Enclave Premium Group. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, preferred equipment Group 1SN, premium package, 10 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose performance enhanced 10-speaker system, CD player, radio data system and radio, color touch AM/FM CD nav with IntelliLink. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.